Well, Ian gets the pleasure today of pulling out a transmission, and I think we know why it has a problem. There's no cover or transpan. So, he's pulling it out of this Ford Fusion 2011. You do have to drop the subframe in order to get it out of there, and we will get you new. So Ian's got the transmission pulled out of the Ford. If you look, the pan was missing, but it looks like it just roasted on the inside. Valve body cover does not look pretty. So he's going to get everything swapped out, and we'll throw in the new transmission, and he'll drive this sucker out of here. And we'll probably have to do a little body work and some suspension work in order to make it drive straight again, but nothing we can't handle. Alright, after a day's hard work, Ian's already buttoning everything back up, got the new transmission in there and then mounted, and he's just basically putting everything back together as far as the accessories go so that way he can send it. Way to go, Ian!